Hi friends, welcome to the channel Pooja, a journey of a homemaker. So today's vlog is with the continuation of my last vlog. So if you haven't watched yet, link I am going to send in description box. So please go and check that vlog. That was for the kids chocolate puff pastry in a Christmas tree shape. And today also I am going to make one more dish which is also related to kids, but this is a savory side, not a sweeter side. So there are many people and many kids who doesn't like to have chocolates in different forms. So today I am going to make it in a savory form, and we are going to use a healthy ingredient. Out of the two ingredients, one is spinach, which is a very good source of iron, and one is corn, it is a good source of fiber. So we'll make it in a white sauce gravy with the whole wheat flour, not all purpose flour. So because it is a healthier version for the kids, and white sauce is anyhow favorite between kids and adults too. So why don't you check this recipe? I am using the same dough which I prepared in my last recipe. If you haven't watched it, link I'll send in description box. So go and check that recipe for the dough. I have made two recipes using the same dough, so accordingly you can make it for your home. Let's start making the spinach corn dip for the white sauce, and we are going to use whole wheat flour only. I have added 50 gram of butter, adding half a cup of whole wheat flour. Normally people are making this white sauce out of all purpose flour, but for a healthier way you always use whole wheat flour. If you are in hurry and if you want to make a spinach corn dip, you can always use fresh cream. I am adding the milk right now. Once it thickens, your white sauce is ready, and I am making this white sauce since long with the use of whole wheat flour only, and I am not finding any difference between all purpose flour and whole wheat flour white sauce. So why don't we avoid using all purpose flour many times? Once you feel that your spinach and corn is cooked, you can always add a white sauce into it, or add all these ingredients into a white sauce. Since this dish we are gonna make it is a savory dish, so I am going to use Italian herbs and a little bit of salt into it. If you want, you can use any other herbs which is easily available in the market. Since we are making a dip, so make sure that it will be not in a runny consistency. So white sauce always should be a little bit thick in consistency. Start rolling a dough, and I am going to make a circle out of this. You can always make this dish by giving a different shapes, but since Christmas is nearby, so I am going to make it in a tree shape. Start rolling the second dough and do the same procedure which we have done for the first dough. I am using here butter paper, parchment paper. You can directly put it on your plate also. And as a dip I am using spinach corn, but if you want you can use any other dip, whichever your kids favorite. I'm finding this dish very interesting, so I always prefer my kid to be around and they can also learn all these things doing baking and all, because it's quite easier compared to other dishes. When Christmas month is around and everybody is in a mood of snow, winters, and moving out, but since because of this pandemic situation, we are not able to go out anywhere. So why don't we make this type of dishes at our home and we make our children happy? I'm going to bake this dish on 220 degrees Celsius for minimum 20 minutes, but it's always recommended that in between you have to check your food. Now dish is ready for the baking. Final dish is ready and I am garnishing it with chipotle sauce. You can use any other sauce whichever your kids like. Like this recipe. If you like it, go and make it for your loved ones. Why don't you call some of your family members and friends during Christmas at your home, and you can make all these different dishes, and you can make little bit of changes as per your convenience too. With this, I am signing off right now. We'll see you in my next vlog. If you are watching me for the first time and if you haven't subscribed my channel till yet, please go and subscribe my channel so that you will get next videos notification very easily. If you like my video, you can share it with your friends and family members too. So see you in my next vlog. Till that time, you people stay happy, stay safe, stay with your family, spread lots of love. Bye bye.